In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create websites with 10Web. We'll walk through the entire process from your first click to publishing a live website using 10Web's AI-powered tools so you can build quickly and confidently. Start by going to 10web.io. Click Get Started for free, then sign up with your email or a Google account. After you create your account, log into your dashboard. This is your control center where you'll create and manage all your sites. From the dashboard, select Create a new website with AI. You'll be asked to choose your site type, an informational website if you need a portfolio, blog, or company site, or an online store if you plan to sell products. Pick the option that fits your goal and click Next. Now add your business details. Choose a category that best represents what you do, enter your business name, and provide a brief description or answer the AI prompts on screen. The more specific you are here, like your services, audience, and key differentiators, the better the AI can tailor the content. Select your language and style preferences so the tone and visuals match your brand, then click Next or Finalize. Behind the scenes, the AI uses this information to generate your site's text, layout, and visuals. Let the AI build your website. This usually takes a few minutes. Keep the tab open and allow it to finish processing. Once it's done, you'll see a congrats message, which means your draft site is ready. Click Preview and Edit to open the 10Web Builder, which is based on Elementor. Here you can tweak your design, content, layout, sections, and images. Everything is drag and drop so you can move elements around, replace photos, and adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. As you edit, aim for clear headings, concise paragraphs, and consistent spacing to keep the site looking professional and easy to read. If you need more pages, open the AI Builder and choose Add Page. You can generate with AI by describing the page you want. Use AI Recreation to convert an existing URL into a similar page, or start with a blank page. Enter a page title and a short description, click Generate, then use View and Edit to customize the new page. Keep page names simple and make sure they appear in your navigation menu for easy access. When you're happy with everything, finalize your site. Connect your custom domain, set up hosting with the included 10Web hosting, enable SSL for a secure connection, and publish your website so it's live. That's it. Your AI-built site is ready for the world.